Current Rotary Year activities started with a learning seminar at Cochin on 25th and 26th April 2025, followed by District Training Assembly at Base 11 Pala on 29th June, where 42 members of our club registered and participated. On 18th July 2025, Rotarian Jacob Philip was installed as the 46th President of the Rotary Club of Chenganur. District Governor-elect Krishnan Nair graced the occasion as chief guest, marking the beginning of a year of service, fellowship, and impact. Opol Project Jainani. A focus lights was donated to the Gynecology Operation Theatre, and nutritious food packets were provided to pregnant women at the district hospital on 30th July as part of Janani project. Opol Club Chair Rotarian Dr. Raji addressed the gathering. Donated toys and learning aids to Anganwadis in Ward 1, 26, 27, and 9 of Chenganur municipality. 4 ceiling fans also were donated to Anganwadi number 105. Opol Project Bhumika. Handed over 160 HDPE UV treated grow bags to Ala Government School and 60 bags to SVHSS, Pandanad for vegetable farming by students under Bhumika vertical of Opol. Donated a total of 90 sets of uniforms to Harita Karma Sena of Chenganur municipality, Panchayats of Pandanad, and Thiruvanvandur with Rotary logo and slogan saying no to drugs and plastics at the back of uniform at a cost of Rs 50,000. Opol Project Abhya. The house of a widow, Alice was in a dilapidated condition. It was restored and completed at a cost Rs 1.25 lakhs and handed over to her by Dr. Sanjay Cherian on 19th October. Opol Project Vidya. Conducted a career guidance class named Navigating After Plus 2 at SVHSS, Pandanad on 15th August. Classes were led by Rotarians Dr. Biju C.T., Dr. Jaikrishnan, C.S. Thomas Alexander, Dr. Vinyan S. Nair, Prathish, Philip Cherian, and cardiac surgeon Dr. Givarghese. Awareness class on cervical cancer and HPV vaccine as well as use of menstrual cup was conducted by famous gynecologist Rotarian Dr. Lakshmi Pillai at SVHSS, Pandanad on 15th October. Awareness class on CPR administration and live demo was conducted on 9th January by Rotarian Dr. Shaley Philip to school students with practice sessions. On the same day, Rotarian Dr. Jaikrishnan taught the students about ABCD of first aid. Awareness class on dental care and hygiene was conducted by Rotarian Dr. Sunil Roy Koshi and on diet planning for adolescent by Mrs. Deepa Sebastian on 28th January at SVHSS. A cycle was donated to a girl student, Afina Rashid of St. Anne's Girls High School on Installation Day. Rotary Club of Chenganur donated 3 bicycles to St. Anne's Girls High School to form a cycling club on 5th March 2026. Rotarian Major Donor V. Suresh DG 3231 was the chief guest. Rotary Club of Chenganur sponsored one poor girl for NEET exam by paying 60,000 rupees in 6 installments. Opol Project Asha. Conducted camps at Shanti Theeram Palliative Care Unit and Tarangam Mission. Inmates were examined and medicines and diapers were distributed. Conducted Annadanam at Shanti Theeram. Spent time with the inmates. 3 doctors participated in the camp. Conducted AI-enabled breast cancer screening camp on 1st December 2025 in association with Believers Medical College Hospital. 21 ladies underwent examination. Opol Project Nirmala. Under Nirmala Project, a water filter was donated to SVHSS, Pandanad. An open well constructed for a poor family in association with BAI, Thiruvalla. Under Community Project, conducted 6 medical camps during current Rotary year. A multi-specialty medical camp in association with K.M. Cherian Institute of Medical Sciences, Kalaseri at SVHS, Pandanad on 15th August. Medical camp for non-communicable diseases in association with District Government Hospital, Chenganur on 11th September. conducted a medical camp for eye testing and cataract screening in association with Kalra Eye Care Hospital. On 2nd October, 89 people benefited. An Ayurvedic medical camp was organized on 12th October with 5 doctors. Free medicines were distributed to 78 patients. Dermatology camp held on 24th January, which was inaugurated by Dr. Anitha Kumari, Medical Superintendent of District Hospital, and Rotarian Dr. Raji Sugathan led the camp with free medicines to 57 patients. Family gatherings and celebrations. Celebrated Independence Day with family dinner and entertainment on 15th August 2025. Being membership month, 5 Opols were inducted into Rotary. Onam was celebrated with great gaiety and traditional fervour on 12th September with the symbolic presence of Mahabali adding joy and nostalgia to the occasion. The gathering was enriched by vibrant cultural performances, Vallapattu, with its rhythmic verses, and the graceful Thiruvathira, which captivated the audience with its elegance and harmony. One new member got inducted. Kerala Pervi was celebrated on 31st October with members in traditional Kerala attire. 2 members were inducted by AG during the meeting. Family dinner was held on 28th November. Rotarian Major Donor Gopi Sir and late Rotarian Major Donor Vijayalakshmi Teacher were the guests of the evening. Mrs. Sobha Ranjit, spouse of late Rotarian Ranjit, was inducted into Rotary. Chenganur Rotary Club celebrated Christmas with Carol House visits in December. A New Year family meet was held on 2nd January 2026. Rotarian Josh Joseph was the chief guest. 2 members were inducted into Rotary. Municipal Chairman, Vice Chairman and councillors belonging to Chenganur Rotary were honoured on the occasion. A family dinner was held on 23rd January and Rotarian KJ Rajiv was the chief guest. Valentine's Day family meet was held on 13th February. It was an evening woven with love, gratitude, and togetherness. TRF donors were honoured with heartfelt appreciation, their generosity shining as a true symbol of compassion. A special moment unfolded as Dr. Brian Uman Thomas was warmly inducted into Rotary, becoming our 13th member of the year, a milestone that added joy to the celebration. The highlight of the evening was when couples opened their hearts, narrating their love stories. Each tale was a gentle reminder that destiny has its own poetry, of chance meetings, enduring bonds, and a magic of finding a life partner. Their words filled the room with laughter, tenderness, and the timeless glow of romance, making the gathering not just a celebration of Valentine's Day, but of love in all its beautiful forms. Chenganur Rotary Club conducted Club Officers Learning Seminar for Zone 29 on 8th August. 2 zonal cabinets were held at Chenganur Rotary Club, one by AG Rotarian CAs Thomas Alexander on 4th May and another one by Chenganur Rotary Club on 8th August. Vocational Award was presented to Mrs. Vithu Rajiv during our family meet on 2nd January. She is the National Award winner for dairy farming. Rotary Club of Chenganur attended all the events organized by RID 3231. GMS and Dolls on 18th May at Kollam, inauguration of Opol project on 10th August at Alleppey, Onam Oppulinathoppam on 28th September, membership seminar at Valakkom on 26th October, TRF seminar on 23rd November at Alleppey and fire final on 15th February at Kuntara. Honored Mr. Jose Jaco on 23rd February for becoming Best Cadet for Republic Day 2026. Celebrated Rotary International 121st birthday at IHRD Engineering College, Chenganur, where formation of new Rotaract Club is under process. Rotary Club of Chenganur sponsored 1 Rotaract Club at Providence Engineering College and 7 Interact Clubs at schools during the current Rotary year. Conducted a cervical cancer awareness class for students of Christian College Chenganur by Rotarian Dr. Maya Nair of RC Chenganur. Rotarian Dr. Shirley Philip conducted awareness class on cervical cancer detection at IHRD College of Applied Sciences. conducted a seminar and motivational class in association with Industries Department at Government Higher Secondary School, Ala on 7th October. Conducted a first aid medical post at Rotarian Dr. Jayakrishnan's clinic for Parumala pilgrims. Attended zonal cabinets held at Thirulla East and Mannar. Participated in Diabetes Day Walkathon on 14th November and Walkathon organized by Rotaract Club of Providence College on 1st February. Rotary Club of Chenganur collected US $3,500 to donate to auto rickshaws to marginalized women in the Society Under Shreya project. Autos were handed over to beneficiaries on 20th April at Kollam. They were given first aid and CPR training by Rotarians Dr. Jayakrishnan and Dr. Shaley Philip at our club. Construction materials worth 55,000 rupees to Miss Midhuna Suresh, a bright +2 student of Government Higher Secondary School Ala, who excels in academics and extracurriculars despite facing life's hardships alone. Her house construction under government schemes remains incomplete due to its remote location and high costs. She passed her +2 exam in flying colours. AIDS Awareness Class by Rotarian Dr. Brian Uman Thomas on World AIDS Day, 1st December. The Governor's official visit to our club on 10th April was marked by meaningful fellowship and significant milestones. Dr. Tina Anthony undertook the document verification and later paid a respectful visit to the residence of late Rotarian G. Mohan Kumar. During the family meeting, she warmly appreciated the commendable work carried out by our club. The induction of Dr. Jacob George as our 14th member added strength to our fellowship, while the recognition of PHF donors reflected our collective commitment to service and generosity. The occasion was a proud moment for our club, blending tradition, appreciation, and growth in true Rotary spirit. The toilet block of St. Anne's Girls High School has been renovated and freshly repainted, proudly bearing the Rotary emblem to enhance our public image. A drug awareness class titled Say No to Drugs was conducted at KT Chaco Soccer School on 16th May. The session was led by Rotarian Dr. Jacob George, who guided the students with valuable insights on the importance of staying away from substance abuse. On 27th May, the serene waters of Ashtamudi Kyle came alive with laughter and fellowship as 27 members joined together for a memorable boat trip. From the moment the boat set sail, the air was filled with joy, music, and cheerful conversations. The day was marked by fun, entertainment, and togetherness. Members shared stories, enjoyed delicious food, and soaked in the beauty of the lake's enchanting surroundings. The gentle breeze and shimmering waters created the perfect backdrop for bonding and celebration. As the sun dipped towards the horizon, painting the sky with golden hues, the group's camaraderie shone even brighter. The trip was not just an outing. It was a celebration of friendship, unity, and the simple pleasures of life. It will be remembered as a day when fellowship blossomed, laughter echoed across the waters, and every moment became a cherished memory. During the Rotary family meeting held on 29th May, our talented Anettes who excelled in their Class 10 and Class 12 examinations were proudly honored for their outstanding achievements. The evening was further enriched with a variety of entertainment programs, adding color, joy, and vibrancy to the celebration. On World Environment Day, 5th June, the Rotary Club of Chenganur, under its Bhumika project, joyfully distributed jackfruit saplings to members, a living symbol of our commitment to nurture nature and sustain future generations. On the occasion of school reopening, our club donated books and learning aids to Thalapin Angadu LP School and Puthen Kavu Mathen Tharikan UP School. We also gifted toys and learning materials to Anganwadi number 98, bringing joy and support to the little ones. Installed 3 convex mirrors as part of road safety at critical junctions and curves. During the current Rotary year, the Rotary Club of Chenganur proudly inducted 14 new members. Remarkably, 9 of them are Opols, reflecting the strong family spirit of Rotary. With this growth, our club strength has risen to 69, an impressive increase of 21%, surpassing the district target of 15%. During the current Rotary year, our club has contributed a total of $6,080 to the Rotary Foundation. With this generous support, our contribution proudly stands at 5th place in Rotary International District 3211. A total of 7 PHFs and 7 MPHFs were added to the club. We have 45 PHFs out of which 18 are MPHFs. Our club got RI citation for achieving and exceeding all the 14 goals set on RI portal. With this, the annual report ends here. Thank you for your attention.